Electric Recliner Cup Holder Controller MLZB020-B1. To locate your model number, disconnect the power, remove the clear insert, the black pad and the 4 screws, pull the housing of the cup holder from the arm of the recliner and rotate over to find the model label at the bottom. Here you'll find the label with the model number MLZB020-B1 and other data. The approximate dimensions of this cup holder are as follows. The internal measurements: 86 mm wide, 97 mm deep. The external measurements are 114 mm wide, 100 mm deep, and requires a hole in the arm of the recliner of approximately 100 mm round. The key features of this 6-button multifunction cup holder are as follows. The light button. Press and it will remember the previous colour used. 7 popular colours to choose from. Simply press and hold until you find your preferred colour. If you're using this cup holder in a setting of more than one cup holder and light bars, if you have the frequency set at the correct setting for all cup holders, they will turn the same colour as this cup holder when you press this button. We will cover the frequency setting later. Next is the home button. Press and hold the home button down to close the footrest and headrest in one motion. This will not open the recliner, it will simply close the recliner. Next is the open button and close button for the footrest, up and down for the headrest. These can be worked independently. Supplied with a switch box. The switch box has the frequency setting previously mentioned. If you are running more than one cup holder, ensure the number is selected the same for each cup holder. Here we have it selected on number 4, so all cup holders with number 4 will change colour at the same time as this cup holder. There is a timer in this box. Basically the lights will stay illuminated for a period of time until there is no activity, where the lights will power down. To reactivate the light, simply press the light button to turn back on. Supplied with a 5-pin DIN plug with a V-notch and retaining lugs on the side here. You connect the actuator plug here and close the retaining clip around these lugs to have a secure fitting. The light plug is a 5-pin semicircle plug with a retaining clip here for a secure attachment to the other lights on the setting.